Hi, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be participating in a really fun tablescape, and this one is called It's Bloomin' Sunflowers Tablescape 2020, and it's hosted by If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, which is Raquel's channel. And if you haven't been to her channel, I highly recommend going over, checking her out, sharing a little love with her, and then checking out the entire playlist for this really fun challenge. Now let's get going, and I'm going to show you what I did. First off, you can see I decorated the top of my table and I styled the underneath portion of my table, both with sunflowers. And on the bottom part, I have some fairy lights and sunflowers down there. And I just kind of tied that all in, so when you're looking, it just ties right in with the top half. Now, let me show you what I did up here on top. I just kept it really simple, but very summery feeling. I decided instead of going with more of a fall look to the sunflowers, I was going to go with kind of a summer look to my sunflower tablescape. Because I wasn't quite ready, I'm close, but not quite ready to give up summer yet. So to begin with, right here in the front, I have a little plate full of some fruit, and this is all faux fruit. And then right behind that, I have my 3 frogs, my hear no evil, speak no evil, see no evil frogs. And then over here on my actual table setting, I have my Dollar Tree sunflower plate, and this is the only sunflower plates that I was able to purchase at Dollar Tree. And then here in the back, you can see I'm also using some of the Dollar Tree plastic wine glasses, and I just flip those upside down and I put a little votive holder on them and put a little candle on each one. That just gives a little bit of height to the tablescape, but it's not right across from the person I'm eating with, so it's not getting in our line of vision. Now, I also have my centerpiece here, and I DIY'd the centerpiece a while ago, and I'm going to leave a link up above if you're interested in how I did that. And for this, all I did was add a couple extra sunflowers into it. Now here is that plate that I got from the Dollar Tree. This, like I said, I got their last 6 dinner plates, and they said they were not getting any more in. So I was really happy I at least got these. Here I have my Dollar Tree stemware on the left, and then on the right, that is one of my little thrifted glasses with the gold rim at the top. And I just love both of these glasses. I use them quite often. Here's a little bit better look at my centerpiece. And again, like I said, I DIY'd this, and I'll go ahead and leave that link up above. And this was just a really fun DIY to do. Now, underneath this sunflower plate, I'm also using one of my Dollar Tree placemats, and then in between my placemat and my my plate, I have my napkin, and I just have that hanging down in front. And then I have a thrifted clear plate right on top of that plate. And those look like they're Dollar Tree clear plates, but I'm not sure because I thrifted those. And then you'll also notice that the little yellow candles that I have sitting down by each placemat, those are also Dollar Tree. So this is almost like a Dollar Tree tablescape, because almost everything on here is Dollar Tree. Now, all the sunflowers that I have on this tablescape were all thrifted. I did not purchase any of these, and I've used these in numerous different DIY projects and tablescapes. And I just love these. I have some big ones and really small ones and some medium size. And these sunflowers are just so much fun to use. Now here's looking at it from the back side. And you can see that both of my place settings are the exact same. And to fill up a little bit of that empty space on my table, I just put a few flowers actually straight onto the table. It kind of fills up that spot without having a really busy tablecloth or without having to actually add a whole lot of different items to the table, and it makes it look just beautiful. Here you can see some of those flowers are a little bit of these hydrangea that are also from the Dollar Tree. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy my sunflower tablescape. If you did like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching.